Hello folks and welcome to our channel. Are you ready for some fun? Let the fun begin. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and activate the bell so you can get to know about our new videos. And also don't forget to like and share if you find these videos are an added value to you. Step number 1, we open the app. Step number 2, we hit the plus button, then we choose quick pairing. Step number 3, we keep on pressing on the button on the Sonoff basic device until it starts flushing very fast, which means that it is in the pairing mode. And this whole process takes about 3 minutes for the application to discover and pair the device. Once the device is found, it will ask us to give it a name, and we name the device, and within seconds it will appear on our application and we can remotely access it and use all the features that are available on the application to control the device with. Thanks for watching, and we hope that you have enjoyed our video and looking forward for hearing your feedback, and feel free to comment in the comment box.